Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. It's a girl Upper Glams, and I'm back with another mini twist tutorial for you guys. And I just want to say before we go on, thank you guys so much for all the love you show me on my channel here on YouTube, on Instagram as well. The comments, the likes, the shares, the subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys. You guys are the best. So with this mini twist I'm doing today, I am using the As I Am cream or twist defining cream. I'll leave the name of the products down in the description box. So guys, please always check the description box just in case you're wondering the products there that I use here on my channel. I always leave it down in the description box below. So this is a mini twist style, and if you notice I am braiding the root first before I am twisting. The reason why I am doing this is because I want this to last as long as possible, and you can also transition from this mini twist to locks. So let's say you want to lock your hair and you don't want to do the scissor locks. This is also great. You can braid the root first. It's more firm at the root, and then you twist the hair.
Drowning in the sea, there's too many voices talking back at me. There are a lot of choices waiting to be made. Too many choices making me afraid.
So if you guys are wondering why I always create parts, lines when I twist, I don't just go in and just start twisting the hair. It's because it makes it more versatile for styling. So let's say you want to style the hair and you want to have options when it comes to styling. This is perfect. I like to go in with lines, go by patterns or whatever you call it, patterns or lines. It's all the same thing, and that is perfect if you want to play with your styling and options that you'd want. So yeah, that's why I always do this. But this is not the only way I twist. I sometimes don't play with lines. I just go in with my C-cut all through the hair without no visible lines. So it all depends on what the clients especially they want, and the kind of options you'd want to give to them when it comes to styling. So yeah, so I do this and also do the C-cut if I don't want to play with lines.
Shade of blue, but always remind me of you. Trying to figure out.
So guys, twists are great protective styles. They're very versatile when it comes to styling, and it's also a very low maintenance style. Like literally you don't have to do so much when you have your twist on. You just need to moisturize your hair here and there, or your scalp here and there, and basically that's it. You don't need to stress. You just wake up in the morning and you go. That's why I think a lot of naturalistas love to twist their natural hair, and the fact that I always add my own touch of styling after doing the two-strand twist, that's like the icing on the cake for them. So yes, people really do love twist and the options you have when it comes to styling it.
Standing by the shore while you're the open sea, cannot take this anymore, cannot take this anymore, cannot take this anymore.
So guys, one of my subscribers here on YouTube reached out to me on Instagram, and she asked me why don't I show the process of me moisturizing my client's hair before twisting it. And yeah, like basically just showing her the process of shampoo, deep conditioning, and then styling. And I did explain to her that it's going to be a very long video, and because you don't want to start cutting a lot of things, and you guys are still going to ask me what did you do before this and all that. But if that is something you guys would love to see, like you want to see the whole process of the shampoo, conditioning, that's a doing a deep conditioning treatment, and moisturizing before styling, just let me know. Leave all of that in the comment section. I mean, that is why I want you guys to always give me feedback of what you want, because literally I don't know, I can't read your minds to know what you guys are thinking or what to expect from me. So if you want me to do all of that, just drop it in the comment section down below and I will definitely look into it for you guys.
There are a lot of voices drowning in the sea. There's too many voices talking back at me.
And also, one of my subscribers on my last video, she asked me, how do I twist? Do I go left left or right right? I don't know what that means, but I'm guessing she's referring to my hand movements with the way I twist the hair. I twist both ways, right? So I can do going all the way to the left, twisting the hair all the way to the left, and I can also twist to the right. It all depends on what I'm trying to achieve. But basically, when I twist my client's hair without extension, like what I'm doing right now with their natural hair, I twist to my left. But if I'm to do use like a kinky extension and I want the same texture to look like natural hair, I twist to my right. I don't know if that makes sense. So with this now, I am twisting to my left. I'm taking the client's hair and I'm moving everything to my left. So that's how I twist. But if I'm doing kinky extension and I want it to look like a natural twist, I twist to my right. So it all depends. I do both ways.
Cannot take this anymore. A certain shade of blue will always remind me of you. Trying to figure out how I'm supposed to get through. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore. Cannot take this anymore. Cannot take this anymore. There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go. See a lot of colors, only feeling blue. There's a lot of colors, lost within a haze. Don't rely on others to get you through the maze. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore.
So can you guys see how yummy the twist is looking right now? With a clean scalp, the twist is perfect. The mini twist is just the volume, like everything is just 100 over 100.
There are a lot of voices drowning in the sea.
So now is the fun part of this twist. This is the part where I love so much. Like I get really excited when it's time for me to style the natural hair twist. I get really excited. So how am I going to style this? I'll be doing the inverted cornrow style, or we call it in Nigeria, it's popularly called DD. DD, yes, but what it is basically is still the same inverted cornrow, the same process you do your inverted cornrow or DD. That is how I am styling the hair, and it is so beautiful. It is always beautiful. It is always a eat, and I love it.
Open sea cannot take this anymore. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore, while you're on the open sea.
So the second style that I'm doing right now is flat twisting a natural hair. So if you know how to flat twist, that is what I am doing right now. It's the same process of you flat twisting, and when I get to the end or where I want it to end, I just add the tiny black rubber band, and that's it. It's as simple and easy as that.
To figure out how I'm supposed to get through. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore, while you're on the open sea, cannot take this anymore. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore, while you're on the open sea, cannot take this anymore. Cannot take this anymore. Cannot.
So this is the end product of the style. It's amazing, it's beautiful. I did the styling on both sides, which is perfect. If you want one side, it's perfect. If you want both sides, it's perfect. If you don't want to style, you just want to leave the twist the way it is also perfect. So thank you guys so much for watching till the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and also drop your comment in the comment section down below. I love to read your comments. I love to hear from you guys. I love to hear your views on the styling as well. Until my next video, bye guys.
The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by